Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to explain how you can manage your workspace Teamspaces on Notion really quickly. It is super simple, guys, and you can pull this off without any advanced technical skills. So make sure you drop a like. And now let us dive into this. Head over to Notion, log into your account, and in the first step, select the workspace you would like to customize and edit and manage in the top left. So let me go with that one here, and here on the left panel below Teamspaces, you will see all the associated Teamspaces. So guys, what you want to do, guys, is simply click on these three dots here to the right and next to Teamspaces. And for example, you may organize the Teamspaces by adding a new one by clicking on that button, or change the position of the Teamspace by moving them up or down, and so on and so forth. What you want to do as well is access your workspace settings by clicking on your workspace name in the top left. And here, click on settings below with the gear icon to access your workspace settings. And here you can go a bit more in depth and organize and manage your Teamspace even better. Here on the left hand side where it says Teamspaces, you may, for example, change your Teamspaces names, for instance, or switch from active to archive Teamspaces if you have active some of them, for example, or create new Teamspaces, or search for them by clicking on that button here if you, for example, feature more of these Teamspaces in your workspace. And after that also, guys, you may click on the three dots here next to the given Teamspace and for example access your Teamspace settings here, invite new members to your Teamspace, leave it if you can, and also archive Teamspaces, and so on and so forth. So if I head over to my Teamspace settings, I will be given access, for example, to the member section where I can invite new members through a shareable link, for example, to that Teamspace. I can, for example, also assign roles or give permission and access, and so on and so forth. Here in the general section, you may customize your Teamspace a bit by assigning a custom name, describe it, assign permissions, or archive the Teamspace, and so on and so forth, guys. And last but not least, you may head over to the security section of the given Teamspace and decide, for example, who you would like to give the permission of your Teamspace members, for example, to view, comment, or edit your Teamspace, or create a shareable link to invite new members, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, there's a lot of customization you can do here for your Teamspaces on Notion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's leave it at that, and I'll see you guys next time on our channel.